What if your digital workplace could run as smoothly as a well-maintained machine? Today, you will learn how digital 5S can transform your online world. In today's fast-paced world, 5S remains the foundation for efficiency, but adding artificial intelligence brings 5S into the digital age. In this video, we will explore how AI tools can amplify each step of 5S. You will learn practically the ways to streamline workflows, reduce errors, and sustain improvements. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, short with AI. Automated file analysis. It flags redundant files and outdated versions. You review AI suggestions, then delete or archive with one click. Smart emailing. Machine learning categorizes inbound messages. It highlights urgent requests. You spend less time in sorting. Now, set in order with AI. Intelligent tagging. AI reads documents content. It applies consistent tags. You search by keywords or topic. Results appear instantly. Dynamic dashboards. You navigate your digital workplace effortlessly. Now shine with AI. Predictive maintenance. AI monitors system health. It alerts you before performance dips or security risk. Automated cleanup. AI bots clear cache, remove temporary files. Your system stays lean without manual efforts. Standardize with AI. Template generation. AI creates project templates based on past successful jobs. Policy enforcement. AI reviews file and email compliance against your standards. It flags deviations and suggests corrections in real time. Now sustain with AI. Continuous learning. AI tracks your habits. It gives reminders to your schedule of daily learning. Performance analytics. AI dashboard shows 5S metrics like file clutter rates, response time, and system uptime. In conclusion, digital AI enhanced 5S routine tasks into smart proactive workflows. It boosts speed. Start integrating AI into your next 5S project. Track its impact, then scale across your organization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.